Sellers, when you are selling, your realtor is going to ask you these questions. And if these things are not in place, it's definitely going to affect the sale and create lots of stress for you. So I want to help get you ahead of things now. So they're going to ask you, are you aware of any permits or municipal requests that are outstanding? So what that actually means is the things that typically are going to have a permit are these. Your furnace has a permit when it's first put in, if it's brand new. The electrical, the HVAC, those things have permits because they're inspected by the city. So anything new that's been built, it has to be permitted by the city. If you put a deck in, that's got a permit. If you put a fence in, it's got a permit. If you do a new garage, that has a permit. So this is relevant if you have gotten or completed new renovation in any of those areas. If you've completed your basement recently, that has to be permitted. So when you sell your home, then your buyer, if they're represented by a good realtor, is going to ask, do you have permits? And that really can obstruct the sale of your home, because if it's not been inspected by the city and permitted, the risk to the buyer is that they may have an inspection later and then have to remediate anything that's not currently to code. So if you want to sell and avoid some hiccups, take my advisement now. Look through all of those items and make sure that you do have current permits. If you don't, DM me and I'll tell you where to go to begin the process to get them. If you like this, share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.